Hi friends! Do you like the rain? I love rain. Rain makes everything beautiful and green and everything grows. And today it's raining and I want to teach you a rain song. I have my raincoat on. I'm ready to go outside. I have my umbrella ready. Can you sign umbrella just like that? And it's important that you have an umbrella outside. All right, so here's what I like to do in the rain. Sometimes I like to just walk in the rain. Can you sign walk? It's just your flat palm pointing down and you only turn your wrist back and forth. Walk. Walk, walk. And rain is your palms like this, claw hands, and bring them down. Yeah, it's raining. And then the rest of the words are hi ho, it's fun, you know, I'm walking in the rain. So for hi ho, instead of finger spelling, we're just going to do our jazz hands, hi ho. And then fun is you take your U hand, flick your nose, bring it on your other U hand. Fun, you know. And then it's your right angle hand shaped like this and tap your forehead. All right. Sometimes I like to march in the rain. And the sign for march is your four hands, fingertips down, and they go together, kind of like a parade. March, 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 march. All right, and sometimes I like to jump in the rain, especially in the puddles. Do you like to jump in the rain? So the sign for jump is you take your V hand and they stand. This is a sign for stand, and then bring your legs up or your fingers up, and that's the sign for jump. And sometimes I like to dance in the rain. And the sign for dance is your V hand, and you just go back and forth. Dance, dance. All right, are you ready to sing it and sign it with me? Here we go. I'm walking in the rain, I'm walking in the rain. Hi-ho, it's fun, you know, I'm walking in the rain. Walk, 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 and stop. And now I'm going to march. I'm marching in the rain, I'm marching in the rain. Hi-ho, it's fun, you know, I'm marching in the rain. March, 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 and stop. And now I'm going to jump. I'm jumping in the rain, I'm jumping in the rain. Hi-ho, it's fun, you know, I'm jumping in the rain. Jump, 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 and stop. And now I'm going to dance. I'm dancing in the rain, I'm dancing in the rain. Hi-ho, it's fun, you know, I'm dancing in the rain. Dance, 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 and stop. Oh, that was fun. Have fun in the rain, friends. Bye-bye.